Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Lauren, and today I have the August 2020 Sew Sampler Box from FatQuarterShop.com. If you do not know, this is a monthly subscription. It is 99 cents to join their distribution list and $24.95 per month. I did happen to look at my statement this month, and my total was $31.70, which tells me that there's $6.75 in shipping and or shipping and tax. This is what the box looks like. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. On the inside of our box, we'll find the insert. This tells us the theme of our box, which is Rise and Shine. And on the back, there's typically a coupon, so let's see what the coupon's for. All right, this month we get 30% off of It's So Emma foundation paper pads. We also get this pamphlet with our box. This tells us the contents of our box as well as the prices. At the very end, I will tally up the total contents within this pamphlet, and I'll let you know what our savings were. First, we have Crazy Quilt paper. These are 5-inch squares, and they do go with charm packs. On the back, you'll see that there's somewhat of a paper piecing pattern here. This will give us kind of a patchwork effect for charm packs. And this does go with our quilt this month. These papers retail for $4.48. Next, we have Drit's Quilting Between Needles. These are used for English paper piecing, binding, as well as fine applique. These retail for $1.48. Next in our box, we have this Kimberly Cuts rotating cutting mat. This is marked for 5.5 inches around. However, the entire mat itself is 6.5 inches. This retails for $14.98, and I will take this out of the package to show you the swivel. So here we are. Let's demonstrate the swivel. Okay. And what I do like about this mat is that the base does not come off. I do have a Fisker's version of this, which is a little bit bigger and gray, so we like the blue, right? Anyway, the base always comes off of my Fiskars, so I really think that this is a good model and design. And what I like to use this for is I do have really small pieces from my Elizabeth Hartman quilts that I do. And so when I make a half square triangle or a flying geese, whatever, I like to square up and cut off the excess. So typically I would put my half square triangle here, my 2.5 inch ruler here, and I'll go ahead and cut this side, maybe if I can get this side, but typically you're going to want to swivel around like this. We'll just swivel it like that anyway. And then you cut the other side. So then that way you don't have to get up and turn and do all kinds of awkward angles. So this is a really good mat for things like that. Next, we have 2 5-inch charm packs from Allison Harris for Wyndham Fabrics. This is called Backyard Blooms and retails for $19.98. Let's go through some of the fabric to see what goodies are inside here. Go ahead and just shift this down. Okay. Just kind of take a glance here. Looks like a lot of florals. Some chickens. There's the Rise and Shine that we were looking for. Really pretty color palette. And there you go. Next, we have the Crazy Daisy quilt pattern. There is a lap version as well as a twin version. You will need your 2 Backyard Bloom charm packs if you want to do the lap version. You also need your binding background and backing, as well as your Lori Holt 5-inch Crazy Quilt paper. If you wanted to make the twin version, you'll need 3 additional charm packs, your binding background, backing, and your Lori Holt Crazy Quilt paper. All right, and also what I want to show you are the squares that you'll see inside of these stars. This is where that Lori Holt paper comes in handy. As you can see, inside of the stars, there is a patchwork. Let's see. There is a patchwork square contained within the stars. And that's where you're going to use that Lori Holt paper. And finally, we do have track 5 of our Greatest Hits quilt. Okay. This does retail for $4.98. And if you do not know, April is the Sew Sampler birthday. So we start a quilt for 12 full months. It starts in April, it ends in March of the following year. At the end of March, we do have all 12 blocks for our quilt. We'll also get a finishing quilt pattern so that we know where all the blocks go on our quilt pattern. And The other great thing is that if you have missed a couple sew sampler box for the greatest hits quilt, you can always purchase the patterns on fatquartershop.com. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and like our YouTube channel. We really appreciate all of our viewers like you. And I really hope that you have a wonderful weekend.